Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Palantir just 8 days ago, to be precise on May 16th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here at pre-market hours, at $129.38. And my main assumption was that we have to see lower price targets, we have to see lower prices for Palantir in the upcoming week, and we should form the bottom of our C wave in order to collect more steam and hit higher targets. And guys, take a look right here. We were somewhere at this point, and for now, as you can see, Palantir is moving south. I have to admit that it is not the most impulsive movement to the downside, but it is decent for retracement. And this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And for now, guys, I have 3 tiers. It is Discord access tier, Safe Haven, and Gold tier. And if you want to just be in line with all the latest news and with the most recent actions and potential upcoming actions of the US stock market, it is more than enough to join just Discord access. If you want me to cover your personal position and if you want me to create a plan for you to invest in stock market, Safe Haven is for you. The only difference in between these 2 tiers is that on Safe Haven tier you will have a monthly 30-minute Zoom call session with me. And the Gold tier is for people who want to take the most from my experience and from my knowledge. And in this tier you will have a 30 minutes weekly Zoom call with me where I will teach you how to beat the market. On top of that, guys, for the members of this tier, I will give my personal signals where to enter and where to leave the position. I will do it when market conditions are more predictable for swing positions. So, and let me give you a sneak peek on the Discord group. You can see that I publish a lot of updates on the market, and as you can see, I even make predictions of its upcoming movements. And if you follow my channel for quite some time, you know that I have a very high level of experience in this type of trades. And guys, in this Discord group, I explain a lot to my patrons, and I do a lot of technical analysis on demand on different assets. Here is the general sentiment of the market on April the 10th. Here is INTC, ISRG, here is JD, RKLB, MSTR, and other ticker symbols. You can see that I do it pretty much 2 or 3 times a week. And all of my community members know how to benefit out of these market conditions.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and what should we expect next? I have to admit that Palantir for now is still quite bullish, and I have 2 more bullish options and 1 less bullish option for Palantir, and I will show you them in just several minutes. But for now, let's take a look at some fundamentals. First of all, I want to pay attention to the couple of updates from the analytic firms. William Blair reiterated their rating 4 days ago. They didn't specify the price target and set the rating as hold. But Wedbush reiterated their rating 2 days ago, and they set the price target at $140, which is about 13.53% of upside potential. And guys, to be honest, I still stand on my position that Palantir will hit much higher targets, and I showed you this price target, wait a second, in my previous video and the video before my previous video, and this is the range where this asset might land within the next several months. It is in between $152.46 and $243.68, and as long as this pivot holds, this lowest point holds, we have this range as a price target. And the more precise price target I will show you when I will see when I see the structure of its movement with more details. But for now, let's take a look at some fundamentals again. So let me show you that we have another update from Arnie Trezi. one of the long-term bulls of Palantir, and he published this just a couple of days ago. Palantir won a massive $800 million deal for Maven. Maven is the Army's most critical AI project aimed at targeting real-time battlefield intelligence and decision-making. Here is the evolution of the contract. 2017, Maven launched with Google. 2019, Palantir enters as Google exits due to protests. 2021, Palantir begins Maven prototype. 2022, $229 million one-year expansion. 2023, Maven transitions to NGA. 2024, $480 million five-year expansion to thousands users. 2024 as well, $100 million five-year expansion to all military branches. 2025, NATO adopts Maven. 2025, $800 million modification to the $480 million deal. Notice, this is the Palantir's first $1 billion plus contract, not tot value contract. Very high margin revenue, as the product is proven. Almost impossible army will change provider now. Unthinkable to build an alternative without ontology. Palantir is showing dominance in USG. This is the most advanced applied AI. Palantir sets the standard for software that works. Maven success facilitates international government adoption. We are even just getting started. And guys, I have to admit that Palantir is an amazing company in the medium and long-term perspective. In the short-term perspective, guys, this company is also quite impressive, but you have to keep in mind that the volatility for its price might be quite substantial. But let me show you another quite interesting update, and this time it is a direct speech from Alex Karp, the CEO of this company. Alex Karp, Dr. Karp, on what's behind Palantir's dominance in AI. We were years ahead for lots of reasons, anticipating what operational AI would mean, meaning AI where you make more money or your revenue goes up and your cost goes down. Our platforms are built to use large language models and machine learning in a way that is actually operationally effective. We build this thing called an ontology, which manages large language models in a way where they become crazily useful, both commercially and actually on the battlefield. And guys, definitely Alex Karp knows what he's talking about, and he was very, I would say, very calm, even when Palantir's price was extremely low at somewhere $10 range. And for now, he's also very calm in his expressions, but he knows what he's talking about, and he knows that Palantir will dominate this market. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's zoom in again to hourly time frame, and I want to pay attention again to the most recent price action. Let me show you, so this is the first option of its potential price movement. We completed two waves that might be just first wave in the shape of diagonal to the upside, and here you can see potential top of the first wave. This is an ABC correction, and when B wave is overshooting the top of the fifth wave, the top of the previous wave, we shouldn't see much lower price target for C wave. And most likely it might land somewhere at the levels of $105 at previous bottom of the A wave, or even it might have some kind of truncated C wave. The next option is a little bit different. First of all, guys, we might have this is our top wave, and this is not an ABC correction. It is, let me show you like this. This might be on a slightly bigger scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 waves. And if it is the case, guys, we have to see a little bit deeper retracement. We have to see something like this, and for now, as you can see, it is not following this potential pattern. It is in more like in sideways movement with a slight decline in its value. But at the same time, guys, everything might happen on the market, and this basically is the most bearish scenario. But in the long-term perspective, the major price target that I showed you just a couple of minutes ago is still the same, because this bottom is still holds. So, and let me show you another option. We potentially might have another breakdown of this entire wave. So let me delete this one and let me delete this one. We still have the top. We might have this as our top of the first wave, but this is not an ABC correction. This is not an ABC correction. This is the first wave on the next third wave on a bigger scale. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If this somehow is our ABC, and I don't like this breakdown because it is very short in terms of the time. It is very short-term movement. And in this case, guys, we have on a smaller scale, this is our first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Let me show you how it should look like. We potentially might have third wave right here, fourth wave somewhere here. It is not a clear forecast for the price action. It is just a blueprint. And this is nothing else but a third wave on a bigger scale, on the same scale that we have this wave. And in this case, we might land at quite high levels. Let me project another target. If I pull Fib extension 2 from this, from the bottom of the wave to the top of the wave and to the bottom of the retracement, the most probable price target is 1.618, and it is the price point of $214 for the top of the fifth wave. For the top of the third wave on the same scale, and it should have 5-wave structure in it. And yes, it is still viable. All these forecasts are still on the table. We will have an invalidation of certain options by breaking above this previous swing high or below this swing low. When it happens, guys, I will show you my updated forecast. But for now, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.